because I'm using cotton for, you know, like summer seasons and stuff like that. Cotton's really good for clothing wear. Anyway, that's what researchers say, and other crochet designers or knitwear designers. See, I read a lot of like sewing patterns, you know, like fabric patterns and their kind of constructions. I can read the terminology, English and British terminology, but when it comes to writing it, I've done a few patterns, you know, like a beanie hat is on my blog, but when it comes to doing that, it's not what I want to be doing. In there that I'm at my phone listening to podcasts and doing crochet. I don't want to be sitting there blogging all the time. I like to be doing, you know, like crochet, productive stuff, or photography, going out there, shooting models with not just my stuff, with the fashion what they came up with too. Just like the element of crochet and how we can blend crochet and, you know, like day-to-day wear together to just make our fashion a little bit more out there and unique. I don't know, got itchy nose there. But in other words, see, this is a mesh, and I might do what I did with my mesh hoodie, what is on my blog and on my YouTube. Where this is just a, what do you call it, a double crochet and a single crochet in UK terms. Where the mesh one is chains and like one like single stitch mainly in the chain stitch, where this is just a stitch in every stitch and no chain stitches or anything, where I want it kind of meshy and baggy and have a bit of drape on it, especially when it's, you know, like on holiday and you're coming out like the pool and you just want to chuck something on because you've seen a nice bar over there and you're like, oh, I like that, pass my bit of crochet wear and let me see what guy I can flirt with, you know, all that malarkey, oh girl. But most of my channels, women, I think. If you're a guy out there, approach me, it'd be awesome, we can collaborate. Right, it's all muddled now, so I can just roll it in the ball, that is if it don't tangle around my feet. Merrily.
You'll be dead in a second.
You do this every day? Yeah. Why? 'Cause I love it.
poderoso.